Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is Titus Ojeduron, and if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for watching my videos. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification icon so that when I drop new video, you will be notified. So in today's video, I have a very important subject to discuss. I want to teach you guys how to withdraw your money on Fiverr. A lot of people are having that issue trying to withdraw their money from Fiverr. So I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your money on Fiverr in this video. So please make sure you take please stick to the end of the video and watch the video. Comment if you have any question. Just send me a mail or you comment in the comment section. So let's get to it. So now just go to your Fiverr dashboard. This is my Fiverr dashboard, and you can see here my response rate and everything. These are my metrics. So this is the Fiverr dashboard. So just go to your dashboard. There are two ways to go about this. So you once you get to your dashboard, you can either click on this money icon here, like the money you have, your balance, just click on it, or you click on my business. So when you click on my business, you see other gigs, profile, and earning. So you can just click on earning. So we'll click on earning. So that is how you're going to get to where your money is. So you can see I have an available balance of 5,753. Okay, so now if let's say I want to withdraw the money, I think the maximum I can withdraw is $5,000 per withdrawal. So let's say I want to withdraw the money now. I'll just click on withdraw balance. So I'll click on withdraw balance, and let's wait for it to load. So once you click on withdraw balance, so there are things that you need to note, like when you're trying to withdraw your money from Fiverr. Fiverr has just two payment methods. You understand? They have just two payment methods. They cannot send the money directly to your local bank. So they can either send the money through your PayPal or to your Payoneer. So Payoneer is an international money platform, like a payment platform where you can receive payment from foreign clients, you can receive payment from companies, from organizations from abroad. You can receive payment to your normal domiciliary accounts here, in Nigeria or any other African countries. So what you need to do here is, you know, the best method for you to withdraw on Fiverr is to use Payoneer. Of course, there are people that use PayPal, but PayPal is not really, is not really effective because even to register a PayPal account in Nigeria is very tough. Then after you're able to do that, you by the time you want to still exchange your money from PayPal to Naira, the rate is going to be very low compared to you using other methods that I want to talk about today. So that means you need a Payoneer account before you can withdraw from Fiverr. So the thing you guys need to do is now is to go to payoneer.com and sign up an account. If you don't know, okay, I will drop the link in my video description, so you can just click on the link. And once you click on my link, the good part of this is you're going to be given $50. Yes, they're going to give you $50 bonus once you register with my link. So please register your Payoneer account with my link. So I will drop the link in the video description. So now once you go to your Payoneer, to the website, just register an account. After registering an account, you verify your identity and your proof of address. So you send them your documents. Then maybe after like 2-3 business days, they're going to send you a mail that your account has been approved or not approved. So once your account is approved, then you can now link your normal bank account to your Payoneer account. Now let me break it down for you guys. Payoneer is a foreign, like a foreign payment company. You understand? So you can't link your, like, you can't what's it called? If you want to use Payoneer to withdraw money from Fiverr, you can use two methods actually. So but the one I use DOM account because that's the best method. But you can also link your Naira accounts with your Payoneer. Now these are it is. Let's say you already have your Payoneer account, you already have a link to your Fiverr, and you have money in your Fiverr. After you've completed your order on Fiverr, the money has been released to your balances available for withdrawal. Then you click on withdraw. Then you withdraw to your Payoneer accounts. The money is already in your Payoneer accounts. You have different methods for you to get out the money from Payoneer to your Naira accounts. You have different methods. So now I'll be talking about four methods. Now, hope you are getting it now. You've withdraw the money from Fiverr to your Payoneer account. So now, before you can access the money in your Naira account, there are four methods that you can use. You have four methods. I've used only two. No, I've used just one of all these methods, but that one is just the best. So the first method you can use now is after you've withdrawn the money to your Payoneer account, you need a DOM account. We call it domiciliary account, like a dollar account, a pound account, or euro account. Account in foreign currency. So if you have a DOM account, then you will link the DOM account to your paper to your Payoneer account. You understand? So once the account is linked to your Payoneer account, then you can withdraw the money. You can withdraw the money from Payoneer to your DOM account, like in the currency. Maybe if the currency is euro, you can have a euro account, then you withdraw the money to that account directly to your bank. So someone is asking, okay, what if I try to withdraw my money in hard currency? How will I sell it to Naira? There are different methods you can use to sell to Naira. You can use Aboki, and you can even do business with your bank. They can exchange it for you. So that's one method. So, and that's the best method. That's the most profitable part. But there's another method you can use, like you can use grade.co. That's another platform. That's another platform for you withdrawing your money. So you can withdraw the money from Fiverr to Payoneer, from Payoneer to grade.co, then from grade.co, you're going to exchange the money to Naira and withdraw to your local bank account. So it's a lot of process. So that means you need a Payoneer account, then you still need grade.co account. So if that's the method you choose to use, the thing there is, some people are scared of, okay, if they try to use Aboki, they might get scammed and all those stress of looking for Aboki. So if you don't want to do all those stress, then you can just use grade.co. You just register like the same way you register your Payoneer account. You register for grade.co. So grade.co, they have foreign account numbers they're going to give you. So you just link it with your Payoneer accounts, then you can withdraw the money. Let's say you have $100 you want to sell. You can withdraw that $100 from Payoneer to Gray. Then from Gray, you exchange it to Naira. Then you have your Naira in your local bank account. So that's it. You can do that. But there's another method you can use, which is you can use Payoneer to buy crypto. Now, this is how you can do this. Payoneer, you can order for your dollar card on Payoneer, and you can also order for your virtual card on Payoneer. So let's say you want to buy crypto. What you need to do is just order for a virtual card on Payoneer. Then maybe you just pay like maybe $2 or $3 for the virtual card. Then you have the card. You can use the card to buy crypto on Binance. So that's another method you can use to withdraw your money. So if you're a crypto person, like you know how to trade crypto very well, like you can use the money to buy USDT on Binance, then you sell it. But the good part of this is sometimes crypto price used to be higher than the normal black market rate. So sometimes if you feel like the price is very high, crypto is one of the best options because you are not paying much fee with crypto. If you are using Grey.co, withdrawing from Payoneer to your Grey.co, you are paying 2%. If you are using your bank account, maybe whether it is I don't know, if let's say you are using your DOM account, like the first process, you are still paying 2% from Payoneer to, like if you want to withdraw, you're still paying 2%. Let's say you are withdrawing $100, you are paying 2%, which is $2 from that money for withdrawing to your bank account or your Grey.co account. So that's it. But if you are using the Payoneer card to buy crypto on Binance, you're not even paying up to 0.5% fee. Yeah, you're not paying up to that. So and sometimes the USDT price can even be higher than the normal black market rate. So that's another method you can try to explore. Okay, then the last method is for you to sell your money directly. If maybe you just don't want to stress yourself, you don't want to sell crypto, you don't want to register Grey.co, you don't want to do a DOM account. The other thing you can do is to withdraw the money directly from Payoneer to your Naira accounts. Yes, it's possible. But the thing there is Payoneer's rate is the official rate, like the CBN rate. So I don't know, maybe the rate will be like around 800 Naira or so. Like as at the time I'm doing this video, the black market rate is almost like 1,200. So just imagine, because you don't want to stress yourself, you have to get 800 Naira instead of 1,002. That's a lot. So those are the four methods you can use to withdraw your money from Payoneer to your bank account as a Nigerian or other African countries. So, but then now, let me give you guys some hints about opening a dorm accounts. Opening a dorm account is very tough. Like it's very tough, and with some bank, it's very easy too. Like now, when I started doing Fiverr, I was using Wema Bank. So those times after I've already withdrawn my money from Payoneer, it's supposed to just take like few minutes, but with Wema Bank it takes like 5 working days before the money arrives in my bank. So when I first started, I was worried. Like, I was like, what's wrong? I even chatted the support. They were like, I should wait for 7 days. Then if I did not see the money, they will get back to me. So then I had to just make some research. Then I discovered that it's because of the bank. So if you want to register a dorm account, there are some banks you need to go for, like Access Bank. Access Bank is one of the best. UBA is also a good bank, and GTB, those are the best bank. But for GTB, I don't know their this thing. But for UBA, if you want to register a dorm account in UBA, you need two references. To register a dorm account in UBA, you need two references. But for Access Bank, if you want to register a dorm account, you don't need any reference. If it's going to be a savings account, you don't need any reference. But if it's going to be a current account, you need two references. So that's it. And just supply them with two references, fill the form and everything. And maybe like within a day, everything will be ready. But the thing there is you need dollar to register a dollar account. You understand? So if you want to register a dollar account, you need to save to the account. You need to deposit. So that's just the thing. So let's say now you've set up your Payoneer account and you want to withdraw to your Payoneer account on Fiverr. So what you just need to do is just come to your dashboard, click on my business, click on earnings, and you'll see your available balance. Then you click on you. Okay, since I've already registered my Fiverr revenue card, so that's Payoneer Fiverr revenue card. I don't need to click on it again. I'll just click on withdraw. But let's say you've not done that, just click on Fiverr revenue card. So you click on that. So then they will ask you to log in your Payoneer account. Then you will log in the Payoneer account and you link the Payoneer account to your Fiverr account. You understand? For your first time of doing this, they're going to send a code to your email and just input the code, and that's all. Anytime you want to withdraw, you don't need to do those stuff again. Just everything's already there. Like for me, if I want to withdraw now, I'll just click the amount. I'll just put the amount there, and within few minutes, the money is already in my Payoneer account. So that's how to withdraw the money from your Fiverr account to your Payoneer account. It's very easy, guys. Very very easy. Like very easy. So if you have any question, like you have any issue that you want me to talk about, please make sure you reach out to me or put them in the comment section and I'm going to reply. So guys, thanks for watching this video to the end. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you and God bless.